we are meeting Ritish Pundge. He is also another champion in the NTSC Stage 1 State Merit List 2021. So first of all, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
So how do you feel after achieving this success?
I am very happy that I have qualified NTSC Stage 1 and being ready to appear for NTSC Stage 2. And on an average, every year nearly 1 lakh students give NTSC Stage 1 examination, out of which only 776 are selected. And very happy that I am one of that.
So when did you set the goal to achieve this NTSC?
At the starting of 10th, because last year was COVID pandemic, so we did not get enough time to study for COVID-19 means NTSC Stage 1. So I prepared for nearly 2 months and I solved nearly more than 10,000 questions for mental ability, and I have solved equal questions for SAT. So I am being able to clear NTSC Stage 1.
Okay, there are two parts of the examination. One is the SAT and other is the MAT. Which paper you find the most difficult one?
According to me, SAT was more difficult because I was preparing for MAT more than a year. So my concepts were clear and my logic was on the peak. So I did not feel difficult MAT. But SAT was little hard because the social science we had to remember everything, chemistry, physics, that concept should be clear. Means maths was out of the book. So the questions were really very hard. So for me SAT was little hard.
And there is a huge library of Patils Academy. So how we got the benefit of that?
For books, because the library of Patil Academy has nearly 200 to 300 books, and I used to solve for MAT nearly I solved 3 books, and for SAT I have solved the papers and I have taken the notes from Patil's Academy library. So I found it beneficial that library helped me for books and notes.
Okay, so here in Patils Academy plenty of unit tests are conducted, plenty of practice tests are conducted. How get benefit from that?
Practice, because NTSC need practice. So they help me to solve questions, because time management is an important aspect in NTSC. We have to cover 100 questions in just 2 hours. So for that time I was able to solve more questions in less time. So that helped me, that practice test has helped.
Okay, especially for SAT there are the questions are so short questions, and the 4 options are given. One answer is exposed in 4 options. But when we come across the MAT, there are 100 questions you have to solve within time limit. So I have seen many of the students that they can solve the MAT questions, but they cannot solve all the questions within that time limit. So plenty of questions remains unsolved for that. So how you managed this time limit aspect?
I follow the strategy, because according to me we should solve first easy questions, because easy questions if we solve early, so we have a lot of time to solve hard questions.
Okay, so what will you do the message for the new students who are contesting for the upcoming examination?
I advise them they should start preparing from the starting of the 10th, not to wait for it till the date came. So if they start preparing from the 10th, they will have good speed in MAT, so all questions will be solved in the given time, and SAT their logic will apply. They will develop the ability to solve high level questions, and it is also helpful for board, because NTSC level is greater than board. So if you solve NTSC maths questions, that board will also clear. So please prepare from standard 10th, beginning of the standard 10th.
Okay, and how you are looking for the stage 2 examination?
Stage 2 examination is a national level examination, and we have to prepare it from NCERT. And my MAT is clear. I have prepared it for more than a year, so I don't have any problem in MAT. I have problem in little SAT, because social science is completely different from state board. It is not coming from state board books. We have to read 9th and 10th NCERTs. So I will prepare for SAT.
Okay, and how are your parents are feeling after achieving this huge success?
They are very happy and feeling proud that I came in the state merit list, and they are very happy to tell their relatives that our student because this year board exams did not took place, so NTSC achievement went little high.
So best of luck you for next examination, that is NTSC Stage 2 examination and further examination in the future.
Thank you.